What's up YouTube, Nejc Filipič here, welcome back, and this is the new unboxing video. Check out this, that's a big package, so I have no clue what actually it is. I got it from the job for free to review it, and basically let's see what we got, let's go. Okay, so that's it, it says a solar home lighting system. Let's open it up pretty fast. Okay, I have no clue what this is. Okay, so that's a station. That is a light that goes inside. Okay. Then if I'm correct, that is the solar. That is for the sun to basically catch sun layers, and I can connect this. For now, I'm just gonna put it like this. It's easy. It says inside. Press this button and it works. So more you press it, bigger lightning it gets. Then you have a battery right here. I'm gonna press this one. It says that I'm half of the percentage of battery. And if you actually need, you have this thing here that's like it's for charging your phone. Okay, so basically you put this inside when it says out, and you can charge the phone right away. Basically it's kinda nice to see. Okay, so yeah, that's basically, you put this outside, maybe outside your window, so it gets lights. You can have this inside. Lightning charging phone station. You even get this, I'm not sure exactly what is this for. I think it's a remote control. Not sure exactly how it works. Oh, it actually extends. Okay. Not exactly sure how this works. Maybe you have to connect them. They have a manual here. That's a mini manual. Yeah, but basically what I think this is supposed to change the lighting and so on. Otherwise you can slide it up and like perfect lighting and so on. Okay guys, that's it. Hopefully you learned something new about new things. My name is Nejc Filipič, and see you next time. Goodbye.